You have iPhone, but network doesn't work on cable. Okay, I will show you now how to fix that on Windows 10, but I think it will work on 11 too. Okay, I'll try to explain you quickly how to do everything, so follow my steps and sometimes just don't ask questions, just follow everything I do. First, Microsoft Store, you need to type Apple devices and download this program. Will this fix your driver? No, but you need this program and I will tell you later why. Make sure you have this on your PC, it's installed, so we can go to step number 2. Step number 2, you need to download iTunes, yes, but don't install iTunes, just download the exe file. And the easiest way to do it, I will just give you that link. After you press enter, it will just download immediately to your PC, and we're going to another step. Step number 3, you have iTunes just like me, you just download it, and now what you want to do, you need to open it with WinRAR. Yes, I didn't tell you you need to WinRAR for that, but I'm pretty sure you have WinRAR. If you don't, yeah, you don't need license for that, just download the WinRAR. Open it, and you see here you have the Apple mobile device support. If you don't see the name, you can expand the name because you probably wouldn't see the full name. Just expand, and we are looking for this file. There's just 3 files here, right? Apple mobile device support. And what you want to do with this file, go to disk C and exactly put this file on disk C, just like that. Continue. You want that file over here, and we're going to next step. Step number 4, we are going to CMD. So type CMD in the search bar, command prompt, that's the full name, there we go, and run as administrator. This is important to run as administrator, and type the command I will give you. It's absolutely safe command, I promise you. If you're not gonna change obviously here anything, you're gonna keep the command as I gave you, it will work. It will create folder MyLovelyIPhoneTetheringDriver. Yeah, don't ask me, just this is the name. And this folder have the Apple driver of the tethering, so we're going to another step. Step number 5, the last one and the most hard one, so watch carefully now. You're going to device manager. Yeah, you can type also here, yeah, device manager, okay? Just open it and you will see one driver here that is obviously broken, and it's called AppleUSBEthernet. So I don't have this because I fixed it, but you will see the Apple USB Ethernet. Let's say this is Apple USB Ethernet. I will show you how to install the driver that we want to work. So after you find Apple device Ethernet, update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Now let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now have disk, and here browse, and now you are going to disk C obviously because we installed the drivers over there, and you finding here my lovely iPhone tethering driver. Open common files, Apple mobile device support, and the last folder is net drivers. Here you have the exactly file you looking for, and after you're gonna click open, you're gonna install it. I already did it. It will immediately work, or maybe you need to restart your PC. I don't remember. I think I didn't restart my PC. It just worked. So that's all. Yeah, give me answers. Did it work for you? And yeah, subscribe to the channel if I help you. Just help me then. Yeah, that's all basically.